what men think and feel about you. So men feel and think that you could be quite closed off, you could be quite defensive, and they may also feel as if it's quite intriguing actually. They want to get into your inner world that you keep so hidden from them. They see you as quite closed off also, and they just feel as if there's another side that you have that they want access to. Some men feel as if you are very emotionally aware, very emotionally attuned, very intuitive, but there is a side to you that doesn't show the true depths of your soul, but they can sense the depths of your soul. They can sense the richness that comes from you. So even if you're a person that doesn't talk a lot, just by looking at you, men feel as if you are very spiritual. Men feel as if you are very maternal, very sensual. There's something very sensual and fertile about you. So some men may assume that you are a mother if you are a female listening to this. And for others of you, if you are a male listening to this, men feel as if you have a balance between your masculine and feminine side. So if you are a masculine listening to this, right, men can understand why a lot of females like you, because you have that way about you where you're able to connect with a lot of females. So you may have like a lot of female friends, but at the same time, you know how to get down with the guys. You know how to crack a joke with the guys. So you've got a healthy balance. And some men may actually envy this because they may feel like, wow, I wish I had that trait that you have. But for some of you, if these men did have this trait that you have in regards to being able to connect with a lot of females, they will manipulate the situation. But and I'm not laughing at that, but I'm just like thinking there's a reason why they haven't got this quality that you possess. And they know that, so in a way they could envy you a little bit, but at the same time it's like, yeah, I get it, because I wouldn't even, I'd be doing the most if I had that quality, right? But if you're female listening to this, men do view you as someone also that knows how to balance out their masculine and feminine qualities. Men view you as someone that, I'm hearing the word grafter. So you could be a very hard worker. You could be an individual that has a lot of projects on the go. You could be a self-starter. Some of you could be starting up your own business. But men see the value in you. Men see that you take yourself seriously. You're not afraid to try out new things, You're a type of person that may say like, I want to start this project. I've got this idea. I want to start this business. And you go for it. And a lot of men find this very admirable. And you are the type of person that maybe you don't have a lot of people to ask for help, right? But some of you do, but you prefer to do things on your own. And men feel as if whatever you put your mind to and however long it takes you to achieve your goal, you are going to achieve it. Men also view you as someone that they would like to invest in. So if you are a male listening to this, a lot of men would like to collaborate with you because they see you as someone that is very successful. Some of you could be business owners, or you're starting up a business and they feel like in a few years or even in a few months, this business is going to pop off. I'm hearing the word, you have a mind of a genius, right? So some men would like to collaborate with you because they feel like they can make money with you. But if you are a female listening to this, men view you as someone that, I'm hearing the word, shouldn't work too hard. Some men could be intimidated by you, right? Because you could have a lot of things on the go and it makes them question themselves. Like, wow, like I couldn't juggle all those things that you're juggling, type of thing. Um, it makes them want to up their game as well. But men generally do see you as someone that they should actually invest in. Some men may view you as someone that can outwork them. And even if you're a male listening to this, the same applies. Okay. Men feel as if you are very, very, very seductive, right? And I'm hearing that they understand why a lot of people want to be with you. You know, there's an energy of some men fearing you. Okay, so if you're female listening to this, some men feel as if you have a strong hold over other men, like you put them in some sort of trance. Your energy is very enticing, it's very hypnotic, it's very potent. I feel like some men fear this energy that you possess, and some men feel like if you're a female, you are not aware of this strong energy that you possess, right? And there's a fear of the unknown with you, because maybe on the surface you could be very defensive, right? But you have this under layer of intensity that they want to explore, but at the same time they feel as if they, you know, explore this other side to you, they may be transformed forever. And some men may fear this transformation. They may fear that if they get involved with you on a romantic level, you have the power to destroy them. You hear that? You hear that? Ha! Yeah, that's what men feel. Like you literally have the power to turn their life upside down, because they feel that if they just have romantic feelings for you and they're not in a relationship with you, they're going to fall in love. And if you hurt them, they will never be the same again. So some men may just admire you, and some men will be like, yeah, she's hot, but I am not even gonna, I love my life. I love my life, type of thing. So some of you females may wonder why men don't approach you, and this could be the reason why. However, if you are in a relationship, or if you get a lot of men that do court you, which I feel that you do, men just find you so seductive. I'm seeing in my mind's eye Marilyn Monroe, Jessica Rabbit, you know, Aaliyah. It's that whole, you know, seductive. And you know what? I just mentioned Marilyn Monroe and Aaliyah, right? I'm even seeing Beyonce in my mind's eye. I'm talking about their energy signature and the beauty, right? But Aaliyah and Beyonce have Neptune, the planet Neptune, on their ascendant. And Neptune is the planet of beauty. It's the planet of, no, I should rephrase that. Neptune is the planet of illusions. It's a planet of magic, make believe, right? And if you have that on your ascendant, it gives you that, you know, ethereal look, like otherworldly look, right? But more than that, I feel as if you have a very seductive look about you, seductive charm. Even if you're dressed down, like wearing a hoodie, baggy jeans or whatever, right? You got your hair scraped all back, you're wearing a big coat, there's still an energy of seduction that oozes from you, you know. You may feel like it's hidden, but it's very, very apparent to a lot of people. So men do view you as someone that is extremely attractive. Men view you as someone that doesn't want to be tied down. They may also view some of you that are in a relationship to be a non-conformist. For some of you, men view you as someone that is already in a relationship. Men view you as someone that is very highly energized. You've got a lot of energy, and they see the effect that you have on other people. So men view you also as someone that a lot of people want to date. And this may make them feel quite insecure as well. They may feel, again, that it may be a risk to invest in you. They see you as so highly attractive. They can become obsessed with you. And I feel like I'm going to have to do a part 2 to this. This is very interesting. Who are you?